Today we will discover the Q5 with its new design. The attitude and the first read of the front is very important. The relationship between the daytime running lamp and the single frame has been changed completely. We raised the daytime running lamp position as high as possible to give more presence to the front, giving the car more sportiness and more fresh design. We have now the S line here in black package. The S line is very sporty, is making a pair with the S version, but we have 4 versions to cover. And with the same bumper we have here in the body color, we have to modulate these 4 different fronts with 4 different grills, design, and 4 different air intake on the side. The base model, they have more the horizontal design in this area to give their pair together their own identity. And here we have the vertical design oriented for the S-line and for the S version. So a very sporty, a very dynamic front. Now we will move to the side. We have this character line that has a very strong wave. It's dropping in the middle and raising up at the back again. This movement is very flowing, very dynamic, but we wanted to give more tension, more stability to all this body side. And the only piece that we touched on the facelift is this door molding here. This door molding is specifically redesigned to give a new line that compensates the movement of the upper line. That means the body movement is going up and down and up again. And then from the bottom of the car, we have a line that counteracts this movement, giving a lot more stability to the all body side. Moving to the rear of the Q5, we have 3 different very important points to mention. The most of them is the rear lamp graphic. The rear lamp graphic is using this fantastic OLED technology, is offering also on top 3 different rear lamp signature available to customer. A very nice story. You will see this on the road. It's fantastic. The second point is this molding. The molding that we have here today in the S-Line black package doesn't show so strongly, but most of the time this molding will be in chrome, and it gives also, additionally to the rear lamp, a long distance recognition newness to the rear. As we mentioned, at the front we have 4 different variants, and these 4 different variants are with this third design element, which is very important, the diffusers. The diffusers, they have 4 different optic, the 4 different design. One for the S-Line as you have today here, with a very slim rear exhaust pipe. The S version has this double exhaust pipe, and on top of this we have this little accent that gives the sportiness, a touch of sportiness to the rear. So altogether, the Q5 offers a fantastic front, a modern front, a lot of punch, a very different attitude to its predecessor, gives also a lot of sportiness. We gave a lot of nice structure to the body side, and obviously from the rear with the rear lamp design, a very long distance recognition newness to the Q5, and we're really happy about it.